everything else. I mean, we were doing this back in 30 years ago. Well, for me, 20 anyway. But this was all normal 20 years ago. So, this was actually sort of normal. The layout was different. We had I started with the Visual Studios, the very first one. I really want to find that photo of me holding up the CD, the MSDN CD. It was the beta, the very first one. I was a Microsoft Insider, and I was able to get the what do you call it? The beta disc for testing the very first one. So I've just been smashing keys ever since, and I figured it out. After about a year, I started looking at the C sharp, wanting to do that instead of the ASP and JavaScript, and it worked out. Puppy, what is wrong with you? I just took you out. You just came back in when I went to go use the bathroom. Yeah, be you, puppy. You're a good boy. Yes, you were. Yes, you were. You're a good puppy. All right. So basically, what I'm working on here is a two-part system. So you got the Avalon dock here, and that's pretty much it. Everything else is the ribbon control library. See, we got the ribbon control library here. You can add these to your project too. I want to see, does it say who made this one? It doesn't give aliases other than who made it. It doesn't say like who made it, like attributions. So I can't tell you anymore, but it is definitely more original, that's for sure. So where is this where we can download all these old school things? It used to be, I know it's not NuGet Packet Manager. It was a window that we could add all this from, just directly to your project. It was pretty cool. You could build a whole project and do your own stuff, make what you need, because you're not supposed to reinvent the wheel. That's just not the idea anymore. So open source changed everything. Now we've got stuff like jQuery, which don't want to work for me half the time because it's sideways. And as soon as you add it to your project and stick that CSS file in there, it's everything inside of your Windows is going to go crazy big. So then you got to set the font to like 0.09 or something like that for it to be the right size. 0.09 I'm not sure why font does it, but it fixes it. That's just the way it's always been with that. But it's nice. I've always liked it, and this is one of the very last projects I actually worked on. So